What's up everyone, thank you for dropping by and thank you for watching Nolasco. In this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff, and if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. And today's episode featuring the best find women's sneakers that you can find in the Nike factory stores now. So this one is that I saw that I believe that it's already a good deal that you could really take advantage on your Nike factory store. So moving on, let's go on to the video. So first up, we are looking into women's classic Cortez leather, and this one comes with a white and varsity colorway, and they were retail on $70 and they were selling for $39.99. I like the simple white and red swoosh with the accent of blue on the midsole. So what do you think on this one? Would you cop this one if you had this one in your store? I believe this one is all over the Nike factory store and Nike outlet. Next one, we found this women's Nike Shock Enigma. Comes with a white, black Sprouse Aura colorway, and this one, the retail is $170, and you would believe that they are selling for $49.99. Wow, not bad for this one. It is really nice accent of that gold accent right there with a little bit blue something. So if you are into this kind of sneakers, this one is really good for women's. $49.99, not bad for the price. Another one that we found here is the women's Nike Air Max Okito colorway. Comes with a sale, metallic gold and gym red. The retail is $75 and they were selling for $34.99. If you like a simple white with a little bit gold accent and a black one on the heel, this one is not bad for the woman's size. So next one, we got a women's Nike React Element 55. Wow, this one comes with a coral, stardust and oil gray colorway, and the retail on this one is $130 and they were selling for $49.99. Not bad for the color on this one. Not much of the pink, but the accent of white and black with the blue on the midsole and outsole, and this one is very comfortable. The Nike React Element, not bad for $49.99. So next one, we got the women's Nike Renew Lucent. It comes with white gym red colorway, and it's kind of simple for white and gym red. Not bad for the price. The retail is $80 and they were selling for $44.99. Simple running shoes, and it is very comfortable. Another one that dropped this last year that has been sleeping on the outlet now is the women's Nike Joyride Optic. This one comes with a coral, stardust chrome yellow, and the retail on this one is $180 and they are selling for $59.99. This one comes with those beads thing that on the midsole. This one also sitting everywhere on every outlet. Another Joyride, we got a different color on this one. We got black and white something, and also they were also selling for $79.99. So moving on, women's Air Max 720. Wow, I like this color, university red and black. The retail on this one is $180 and they were selling for $89.99. This one remind me like colorway of Iron Man. So if you see the Iron Man, it is look like somewhat the same of the color scheme, but nevertheless the air bubble and technology, it's not bad for the price. $89.99 if you're digging a red and gold accent. This one is really good price. So next one, another woman Nike Air Max 720. We got the colorway is the light soft pink gym red, and also the retail is $180. This one's a little bit not too much on the color, but kind of it went through a little bit more pinkish colorway. but the price $89.97. You can't go wrong on this one. On my outlet, this one's already sold out, and this outlet, it is really still sitting here. So next one, we got the Women's Epic Phantom React Fly Knit Just Do It. Comes with the white and black laser fuchsia colorway, and the retail is $150, and they're selling for $69.97. The colorway is kind of a little bit simple, but this one is really good for a running shoes. It might gonna get dirt easily because of that white thing, but not bad for the price, $69.97. Another one, next one is the Women's Odyssey React 2 Flyknit Just Do It. We got comes with a summit white and purple colorway, and the retail is $120. This one is $59.99, much more cheaper, but I like the price on this one, $59.99. Moving on, we got the another women's Nike Odyssey React 2 Flyknit. The retail also $120. Colorway is teal tint and sail. Nice color, simple white and a little bit bluish thing, and the retail is $120, and they're selling for $59.99. Next one, we got the women's Nike Zoom Windflow 5 Run Shield. If you're looking for a running shoes that you could use it for running on wet weather or some kind of winterish weather, this one is really good. They are retail for $100, and they are selling for $64.99. Not bad for the price and the colorway. Not bad. So moving on with the another women's Nike Zoom Windflow 5 Run Shield. You got the different colorway, which is the black and metallic silver. Same price on retail, $100, and they are selling for $64.99. Ooh, I like this one better if it's they had it on my men's size. And we found the very good ones here. We got the women's Air Vapor Max Plus. Colorway is the bright crimson blast, and the retail is $190. Ooh, I like this one. It is really vibrant, and they are selling for $109.99. You can't go wrong on this one. This one is reselling for somewhere $200, way above the retail, and I did pass on them because a little bit high for investment. And also next one is the women's Air Vapor Max 2019, and the retail is $190, and they are selling for $109.99. And also it's still also a good price on this one. You can't go wrong on this one. They are actually, sometimes you can find them somewhere $99 and then additional $20 or additional $30, but this one is still good on this price right now because they are selling out. As you can see, there are not much sizes going on. So if you really like it, you can stand this one. So another one is the women's Air Vapor Max 2019. Colorway is football gray and obsidian. Also the price in the retail is $190, and they were also selling out for $109.99. The price on this one, not bad, and also the colorway, it is really good. So another one, we find this women's Air Max 98. Colorway is a pure platinum aura green, and the retail is $160, and they are selling for $99.99. Not bad for that price, and I like the colorway. It's kind of a little bit Miami colorway, something ish on that one. Also next one, the Air Max 98, also retail on $160, and the different colorway is the white, metallic, and silver. And this one comes a little bit cheaper because $89.99. Also retail is $160. We find another good one. We got the women's Air Max 97 pure platinum aura and green. The retail is $160, and they were selling for $109.99. A little bit price. It is kind of simple with the black and white and a little bit accent of a bluish thing. So how about we check on the hash wall or the clearance wall? We found a Nike React Element 55. This one $59.99 with additional 20% off. not bad for the price with a very comfortable sneakers. So what do you think on this one, on the best find of women's sneakers that you can find it in the Nike factory store now, or the factory or the Nike outlet store now? So I hope you like this video, as I would love to hear your thoughts. So please leave a comment down below. As always, Jay Nolasco here. I'll see you later. Peace.